I have a juicy topic for you. How to find love in the world of digital coins. That's right, crypto romance is a real thing, and it's not just for geeks and hackers. It's for anyone who wants to spice up their love life with some blockchain magic. Crypto romance is when you meet someone who shares your passion for cryptocurrency, and you fall head over heels for them. Crypto couples have a lot in common. They love decentralized technology, innovation, and financial freedom. They also enjoy the adrenaline rush of investing in volatile assets, watching the market swings, and celebrating their wins together. But how do you find your crypto bae? Well, there are many ways to do that. You can join online communities, such as forums, chat groups, or social media platforms, where you can mingle with other crypto enthusiasts. You can also use dating apps that are made for crypto lovers, such as Bittercoin, CryptoCupid, or Hodler. These apps let you filter your matches based on their crypto preferences, such as which coins they own, how much they invest, or what their risk level is. Of course, finding your crypto match is only half the battle. You also need to woo them with your charm, wit, and personality. Here are some tips to help you do that. Flaunt your crypto portfolio. Nothing impresses a crypto lover more than a well-balanced and profitable portfolio of digital assets. You can also share your trading secrets, tips, and insights with your date to show them that you're a smart and savvy investor. Spoil them with crypto gifts. Nothing shows your affection more than sending your date some crypto tokens or NFTs as a token of your love. You can also surprise them with a custom-made NFT that represents your relationship, such as a digital ring, a heart-shaped token, or a cute animation. Have fun with crypto dates. Nothing makes a crypto lover happier than going to places where you can use your crypto to pay for things. You can also try new things together, such as going to crypto events, exploring virtual worlds, or playing crypto games. So there you have it. Crypto romance is not only possible, but also fun and exciting. If you're looking for love in the era of blockchain, don't be shy to put yourself out there and find your ideal partner in crypto. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome crypto content. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think about crypto romance. Do you have a crypto crush? Have you ever dated someone who loves crypto? How was it? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.